Oh. Well, we'll see if it's durable or if I broke the axle. Parts are cheap on this thing, thank God for that, and I don't see anything wrong, thank God. A couple little scratches on the bumper. Alright guys, hey, I'm out here with the Wltoys, the 144001. I'm going to do a little first impression run here, see what I think. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and run my GPS meter and see how fast this thing goes. So let me start that up. All right, I just connected the battery up already, so let me go ahead and turn it on. All right, it's all reset. There we go. All right, let me turn on the controller, make sure this thing's make sure the throttle's up all the way here. It's up all the way. Steering trim. All right, here we go. Oh, this thing's so awesome. Here we go. Man, this thing handles good, you guys. This thing handles really good. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, looks like 37. Oh, let's see, it didn't start the... Let's see, let's try this again. All right, I'm gonna go try this out. I calibrated it. Looks like we got satellites, so let's take a look at this. Oh, got a little squirrely there. Gonna turn around real quick here. Here we go. All right, see if I got my meter to work here. It's my first time using my meter, so. All right. All right, let's go ahead and go for another run here. Max is 48 right now, so 48 is not too bad. 48 is not bad at all. Get this guy going again here. One last run with this one here. All right, 49.2. That's pretty good. That's not bad at all. That's not bad. That's just all stock on a 2S, you guys. So that's a stock battery, first charge on it. So that is definitely not bad at all. All right, you guys, so far pretty good. I went and put one of my older batteries in there from the old A979B. Got it charged up. I want to take a speed run with that. That one's had several charges on it, just to see if there's any difference. I'm actually using one of those little bracelets that you know, people wear, and I just put it through this, you know, part of this bracket right here to hold my GPS Sport. So definitely get one of these, guys. It's awesome. They're waterproof, they're lightweight, and they work excellent. So I could thank Perth Wltoys for telling me about this one. This one works really good. So let me go ahead and turn the power on. Hopefully this thing don't fly off. I broke the rubber band. So hopefully it'll hold in there just for another test here. Turn that on. Getting a little flimsy in there. I was going to use some wire ties, but I forgot them. All right, let's get that started. Controller is on. Okay, should be ready to go. I left my protective film on the body here, so in case I wreck, you know, at least it has a little protection. Same with this one. I left this little tab on there for now. So all right, let's go for a little run here, see how this thing does. I've got a car coming. All right, GPS almost fell off. We got 45.9, which is a bit slow there because I didn't get to come back around because someone was coming. So let's go ahead and try that again. Let me straighten up the steering a little bit here. Okay, pickup's backed up over there. I'm gonna go down there and start off over here, since he's over there right now, and then I'll run it back over here. Man, that thing handles good. Look at that. I didn't even brake in that corner. I just slid it. All right. Let's see what it looks like here. 48.5. 48.5, you guys. Let me reset that one more time and try it one more time here. All right, that's flashing. Let me know it's ready to go. So here we go. Let me fix the steering a little bit. It kind of is off a little here. All right, just fixing the steering trim here. It's still pulling. Okay, here we go. There we go, and full throttle right now. It's got really good range, you guys. I'm surprised how well it. There we go. Not even braked. I barely clipped the corner there. And this thing works great. 50, yeah, 50.8, almost 51 kilometers per hour. So that's awesome, you guys. It works excellent. You know, I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually put a 3S in there. If you watch Perth Wltoys, I know he will do it. Right now, the only 3S batteries I have are longer than the car itself, so I'd have to get one with the smaller milliamps, so I can at least put it up underneath there, since you can go and disconnect the bracket inside here. You disconnect the bracket inside here. I didn't show it in my review, but you can slide that bracket up all the way up here, screw it back in, and then you can get at least a little bit longer battery in there. So, you know, for those who have like some race drones and stuff that are 3S, you'll probably be able to fit one in there. I just got to order one sometime. I want to see a few more people do it. I've heard some horror stories and seen a video where a guy burned up his 2-in-1 ESC by putting a 3S in there. So right now I kind of want to enjoy it for now, and then later on I may try that out, you guys. So all right, that was just a quick little test. It wasn't nothing too special. Just wanted to see how this thing drove before I go take it out on the dirt and stuff like that. So 50 kilometers per hour, 50.8. So that ain't bad at all, you guys. And like I said, I recommend getting one of these. These work awesome. You can put them anywhere. I'm gonna get some Velcro and tape and put that on the back of this so I can put it on anything. So all right guys, thanks for watching. Like always, God bless, cheers, and happy driving.